Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, Chatting with Chops. Today we are at Amerson River Park in Macon, Georgia. So the first part of this trail is paved, and it's a pretty wide trail. We're in a water park is what they're calling it, but there's lots of playgrounds. There's a lot more people on this one than we've had in some of our other walks, but it's pretty flat and pretty easy going so far. So we'll see how it goes. As you can see, it is okay to bring your dogs to this park. They do have to be leashed, and they do ask that you clean up after them, but you can bring your doggies. About halfway through the park loop is the loop that we're taking right now. They give you a map that's showing all of the different kinds of trails that you can go on. There's a few that are just kind of like in between the loop and they cross around. So just don't go straight by what the All Trails app shows, because it's only going to show you this outer loop. It doesn't show you all the other little trails that you can go on. also have in this park these great little picnic areas that are covered. don't know how well you can see through the trees. They have these wonderful little picnic areas that have trash cans and tables for you to use, and they are covered. And as far as I know, there's no fee for using those. We haven't seen anybody like policing it or anything, so I think you can use it if you want to. Well, we've discovered why it's called a water park. They do have tubing that you can do here in the river, because there's a curved shape to the way where this park is situated. You can get put in on one side and come out on the other. If you go up the hill a little bit, they have a huge pavilion where you can have picnics and stuff. They've got tons of little tables, and they've got a playground that is covered, which I thought was kind of neat. And of course they have bathroom facilities here.